Hey there! Today we'll learn how to use cloning and Outgrow to create, customize, and scale interactive experiences faster. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the content piece you'd like to reuse. Click on the three dots beside the content and select Duplicate. Outgrow instantly creates a copy of your experience, including your existing setup, so you have a ready-to-edit version to work with. You can update the title, edit questions as needed, modify outcomes, replace your logo, adjust background colors, fonts, layouts, and messaging to match a new campaign, audience, product, or location. The duplicated experience keeps your existing questions, mapping, integrations, and design settings in place. This means you can spend less time recreating the setup and more time optimizing the experience for your audience. Cloning is also useful when you want to test different versions of the same experience. For example, you can duplicate a quiz or calculator, change the headline, questions, design, or call to action, and compare which version performs better. To set up an A/B test, navigate to the left sidebar, click on the three dots, and select A/B testing. From there, you can add your original and a duplicated experience as a variation and start comparing how each version performs. You can also use cloning to create client-specific experiences or personalized campaigns while maintaining consistency across all your content. Once your updates are complete, click on Publish Changes to make your new experience live. With Outgrow, you can duplicate interactive experiences in seconds, reuse successful structures, test different versions with ease, and scale your interactive content faster. Start cloning your best performing experiences and create more engaging campaigns with Outgrow. Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.